Hello, my name is Rani. Currently now a third-year college student, take entrepreneurship major in SBM ITB. Now, I would like to tell you about effective business presentation. Next. So, have you ever think and learn about how to organize the introduction, body, and conclusion of presentation? How to create an impressive presentation and now for audience types? As a business student, sometimes I have to present my business assignment with presentation to my lecturer in front of many audience or public. Do you have the same situation like me? So, now we will learn together about how we do business effective presentation. It can suitable for doing business presentation in campus or in business field. So, first of all, what is presentation? Presentation are communication tools that can be used at demonstrations, lectures, speeches, reports, and more. Next, to preparing effective business presentation, first, we learn about speaking skills and career. Interpersonal skills are the skills we use every day when we communicate and interact with other people, both individually and in groups. Next. Second is understanding presentation types. We have to know about how big the audience is. Is it small group or big audience? We decide to go with informative, persuasive, or motivation presentation. Also, when we do offline presentation, we have to do face-to-face with audience. But when we do virtual presentation, we must keep the good atmosphere of audience. Next. Third is knowing your purpose. Our goal must be clear and we have to make an effective information. To create an effective presentation, it's best to simplify our thoughts. Start with an outline of topics and identify highlights, which can be applied to whatever subject you plan on discussing. Next. And last is knowing your audience, analyzing your audience, anticipating its reactions, and adjusting to its needs if necessary. Now, we will learn about succeeding with 4 audience types. Next. They are friendly, neutral, uninterested, and hostile. Next. Number 1 is friendly audience. They will like you and your topic. Use any pattern and try something new. Don't forget to involve the audience and be pleasant and open to them. Use lots of eye contact and smiles. Next. Second is neutral audience types. They are calm, rational, and their minds are made up, but they think they are objective. You can present both sides of issues. Be controlled and do nothing showy. Don't forget to use confident and small gestures. Next. Third is uninterested. They have short attention spans. They may be there against their will. But don't worry, you have to be brief. No more than 3 points. Be dynamic and entertaining. You can move around and use large gestures. Next. Last is hostile. They want to take charge or ridicule the speaker. They may be defensive or emotional. To handle audience like this, you can organize using a non-controversial pattern, such as topical or choreographical strategy. Just be calm and controlled. Speak evenly and slowly. So, that's what we can learn together today. I just want to say how good and effective your presentation is. Next. That starts from practice, practice, and practice. See you in another chance. And bye-bye. Have a nice day.